Mobsters who stay long in the racketeering business are always on the down low and do not flaunt their fruits of their ill-gotten wealth so as not to attract the attention of the feds or G-men. Exactly the opposite of filthy rich personalities like one lawmaker whose opulent lifestyle has drawn the attention of the authorities in their latest visit to his fleet of air assets, as our Bernard Ferrer reports.
Araw-araw na lang parang may bagong mga nadidiscover dito.
That was a statement of DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon less than a month since he was appointed to the position by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Among the discoveries he made was the alleged lavish lifestyle of some officials within the agency, including the use of chartered flights. Likewise, it was also revealed that one official reportedly refused to cooperate with the investigation conducted by the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, ICI. Some officials have also been implicated in the construction of allegedly substandard projects. Then DPWH officials have been issued a show cause order and directed to submit a written explanation within 5 days.
Top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom, we will spare no one here. Okay, former Secretary, USEC, ASEC, Director, RD, DE, kailangan umayos na tong institusyon na to.
Secretary Dizon warned agency officials who failed to cooperate with the ICI investigation.
Makakasuhan sila administratively and even criminally. So sumunod na kayo ngayon pa lang.
The CIDG has also deployed personnel to the DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office over the alleged tampering of critical documents. Meanwhile, the Secretary has requested the Anti-Money Laundering Council, or AMLAC, to freeze nearly 500 million pesos worth of vehicles linked to some former officials of the DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office who are allegedly involved in irregularities in flood control projects. Also named are contractors, including the couple known as the Discayas. This information is based on the initial list obtained from the Land Transportation Office and the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines.
Huwag kayong makikipagtransaksyon sa mga taong ito kung meron silang mga pigit na ibinebenta. Huwag nyo pong bibilin yung mga asset na yan kasi yan po ay magamang mafi-freeze na rin.
The DPWH is also asking to put on hold 4.7 billion pesos worth of air assets allegedly owned by Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldico. These air assets reportedly include Bell and Agusa Westland helicopters, as well as Gulfstream jet. All relevant information will be submitted to the AMLAC, ICI, and the Department of Justice. Bernard Ferrer from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.